This is a quick tutorial on how to be an anime character on Zoom. There are 3 ways you can do it: a hard way, an easy way, or a premium way. Each has their own benefits and disadvantages. Right now, I'll be teaching you the easy method. So the easy method and the hard method both uses this VUP software, and it is only working in Zoom, not in Skype, Hangouts, only on Zoom. So remember that. So first of all, download the VUP software like this in Steam. So after opening the VUP software, you'll see 2 interfaces like this. One is the controlling surface and one is the output. So there are many features that you can do, but I will talk about the essential ones. So if you are using your phone as a webcam like me, you can change the sources right here. And you can change it to any sources. And you can turn it on and it will track your face. As you can see. Hi! Next, I'll teach you how to change the characters. So click on characters and the characters mode will pop up. So there are various characters you can choose. Some of them they're a little bit buggy, but it's still available. Just simply double click it and you can choose to various characters, as you can see. So the good thing about this software is that you can control it with your keyboard. You can even jump. And you can also change the scene, the background for this character. As you can see, you can choose any backgrounds by double clicking it. So people use this software mostly for virtual YouTuber. If you do not know what is it, it's basically people hide their face and doing a YouTuber using these anime characters. It's pretty useful for that purpose. But right now I'll be teaching you how can you do it in Zoom. If you want to integrate it with Zoom, the only method you can do is by sharing your screen. So this easy method is a little bit dysfunctional, as you need to share your screen to this display, and when you click on share, it will share this display and you can do anything you want with it and you can talk to it. As you can see, after you share the screen, it appears as sharing the screen and people can see your anime character moving. But unfortunately, it will not display as yourself, so yourself will still be this black screen and not this anime character. Right now I'll be teaching you the hard way so that you can instantly change it into your virtual camera and display the anime character as yourself. So first of all, you need to have OBS Studio, and so you need to download the plugins for OBS Studio. Just come to this website, I'll link in the description, and download this plugin and make sure to update your OBS to the latest version and restart your laptop. And then after doing that, just come back to your OBS Studio, add a game capture, and then after adding the game capture, you click on properties and then display a specific window, which is the display one, which is your VUP software. Click on OK and this thing will appear. The character will then appear, as you can see. And to broadcast it in Zoom, click on Tools, Virtual Cam, click on OBS Camera, click on Start, and that's it. When you go back to Zoom, you can go back to click the sources and change your sources to OBS Camera. And it will appear as yourself, as you can see. Next is the more premium version, which is Facerig. So this actually costs money And to be honest with myself, this is a better software than what I've recommended. The only thing is it is not free, and you can import many characters, other anime characters into this, and you need to also buy the live 2D one. There are many tutorials about it, but right now I'll be introducing this to you. So this actually integrates with Zoom. So it originally is already a virtual camera displayed. So you just toggle broadcast, and then when you go back to Zoom, you do not need to do all those complicated stuff. So just go to sources and change to Facerig virtual camera, and it's already here. It's much easier and convenient than the VUB software. So if you can spare some change, you definitely will want to download Facerig or not. Just try out VUB and see whether if you want to prank. If you find this valuable, make sure to give me a like, and I hope to see you guys again. Bye bye.